One Bataan Riders MC, representative of
number 0, 1, 9, 4, 9. 1, 9, 4, 9.
Yan! Be Strong Adventure Philippines. Patrick Orwin Conanan. Pakitawagan ng mobile number. Ngayon na!
Congratulations po sa nanalo. And ituloy po natin yung ating magazine.
December. So, mag-isipan namin going June and December. 6 months sa kami kami ng major na charity event. This would be on Manila, Boys Town.
Nag-join kami sa LMFI for the purpose na magkaroon kami ng social belongingness noong araw kasi that was 10 years ago. Pero as time goes by, nakita namin yung advocacy ng LMFI as well as yung kahalagahan ng networking.
As a riding club, ang contribution namin is to spread yung awareness on safety riding sa community. Kasi importante, you're enjoying your ride and having fun at the same time, but you get to go home safe and sound to your family. Kaya sa Shento, kalimitan ng members, concerned sila sa kanila safety and yun lang po. Bawal po ang was-was sa amin. So yun lang, thank you very much Lifestyle Riding for this.
LFI contributes a lot to national events about their advocacies regarding their education, and in the same way that Boulevard Boys Motorcycle Club also has charitable events that reach out to those who need in the upcoming years, like our upcoming event is Christmas in Chipko.